The 4 years, give or take some, you spend at college will be the most memorable of your life. Well, except for the nights of drunken debauchery and concussions that you've conveniently forgotten. It's not all fun and games though. Besides 10-page papers that you procrastinate on for weeks and finish only the night before they're due, and the freshman 15, low finances are what characterize the average college student. Your books for the semester cost a fortune, the thought of tuition, rent and the subsequent brings you to tears, not to mention the fact that your insurance rates are through the roof. Well, we have a solution for the last problem. Yes, even as someone under the age of 24, you can actually get worthy online car insurance quotes. Lift your jaw from the floor and read on. Good grades. The first way to do this is to stop procrastinating on those papers. But what, you ask incredulously, do your grades have to do with your car insurance rates? A lot actually. Many auto insurance companies offer discount car insurance to students who get good grades. This usually means an overall average of B+ or above. So if you needed motivation aside from being eligible for scholarships, seeing the relief on your parents' faces as they realize that perhaps they haven't spawned a complete failure and disappointment, and the prospect of actually getting a job that doesn't involve flipping burgers, here it is. Low mileage. So we have a solution that will kill two birds with one stone. Actually three. In order to keep PETA out of our hair, we feel obliged to say that we do not mean this literally. Animal cruelty will not lower your insurance rates. But you know what will? Driving less. Some insurance providers will give you lower rates/discounts for a low mileage. So the next time you feel like driving to the local bar that you can actually see from your dorm window, walk instead. Ride a bike for further distances. Not only will this help you save on insurance, it will also help you combat the aforementioned freshman 15. And as for the third, non-literal, bird? Well, with rising gas prices, walking and biking will further improve your finances. Used cars. While driving a sports car will help your popularity ratings, it most certainly won't help your auto insurance rates. Any expensive car screams "look at me" to the world at large, including thieves and jealous vandals. A sports car screams "look at me, Mr. Robber." As well as my owner is statistically speaking very likely to be a young, restless, reckless punk who will get into accidents and throw a barrage of claims at you. So you can't really blame the insurance provider for slapping a high premium on this car. On the other hand, a rotting, creaky, ancient buggy won't help your case much either. Not only is it more likely to break down and cost you a fortune to maintain, a car like this is easy to break into and not as safe as you've told your mother it is. So you can't really blame the insurance provider for slapping a high premium on this car either. The solution is to buy a used car that is in mint condition, has only a couple of years on her, and hasn't been driven too much. Pick a car that won't draw too much attention one way or another. Defensive driver's credit. Here's another means to kill multiple birds with one stone, a defensive driver's credit. Firstly, it will make you a better driver, which means you'll get fewer tickets, get into fewer accidents, file less claims. Get ready for the second bird, it's a good one. Most car insurance companies will give you generous discounts for completing a defensive driver's credit. Sorry, we don't have a third bird. Safe driving. This one's a no-brainer. However, sleep deprivation, papers and all the caffeine on your bloodstream may have addled your mind a little, so we'll mention it anyway. The cleaner your driving record, the lower your insurance rates. The more carefully you drive, the lower your chances of getting into accidents and filing insurance claims are. Most importantly, don't drink and drive. Not only are you endangering your own life and others, your insurance provider may reject your claim and will possibly drop you as a client. Good luck finding a provider who will cover you then, and if you do, then prepare yourself for obscene insurance premiums. Parental policies. Well, this is for that special bracket of college students that are young and live with their parents. Getting added to your automobile insurance company instead of purchasing your own could possibly work out as a cheaper option. Are you thanking us profusely? Well, you should. After all, thanks to us you won't have to subsist on a diet comprising exclusively of cup noodles and working the graveyard shift at your local taco shop just to make up for auto insurance costs. Bethany Collins works from home and is a mother of 2 naughty kids. She lives with her husband. Her only hobby is reading and her interest lies in topics related to personal finance, car insurance, etc. She loves to write on topics like managing your budget, getting best car insurance quotes, saving money and investments, etc. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.